Welcome to Bike Zone, your ultimate source for everything motorcycles. In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Honda CRF 300L. This bike is an exciting addition to Honda's CRF lineup, offering a perfect blend of off-road capability and on-road practicality. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Honda CRF 300L a standout choice for adventure riders. Sleek and durable design, the 2025 CRF 300L sports a sleek and modern design that's both functional and stylish. Honda has focused on reducing the bike's weight while maintaining its durability, resulting in a lighter yet more robust frame. The updated bodywork is not only aesthetically appealing but also designed for optimal ergonomics. The rider seat has been made more comfortable, and the handlebars are positioned to provide better control during long rides. Whether you're cruising through city streets or off the beaten path, the CRF 300L offers the perfect balance of comfort and ruggedness. Powerful and efficient engine, the 2025 Honda CRF 300L is powered by a 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that provides a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the CRF 250L. With more torque and a refined fuel injection system, this engine offers a smooth and responsive riding experience. Whether you're tackling steep trails or cruising on the street, the CRF 300L delivers impressive power across a wide range of speeds. The engine's efficient design also ensures excellent fuel economy, making it an ideal bike for long rides or commutes. Enhanced suspension for better control, Honda has made notable improvements to the CRF 300L's suspension system. The bike features a 43mm inverted fork in the front and a ProLink rear suspension system. This setup enhances the bike's ability to absorb bumps and rough terrain, providing a more controlled and comfortable ride. Whether you're navigating rocky paths, dirt trails, or uneven terrain, the updated suspension ensures the bike maintains excellent stability and traction, making it suitable for various off-road challenges. Versatility for street and trail. One of the standout features of the CRF 300L is its versatility. This bike is just as capable on city streets as it is on tough off-road trails. Its lightweight frame, knobby tires, and efficient suspension make it the ideal choice for dirt trails and technical terrain. Yet, with its street-legal features like full lighting, turn signals, and a horn, it's ready for the road as well. Riders can effortlessly transition between off-road adventures and daily commutes without missing a beat. The CRF 300L offers the best of both worlds, making it a fantastic all-rounder for any rider. Upgraded technology and safety features. In terms of technology, the 2025 Honda CRF 300L doesn't fall short. It comes equipped with a modern digital LCD display that offers clear visibility and easy-to-read information, including speed, trip details, and fuel levels. This ensures riders are always informed of their bike's performance while out on the trails or streets. For safety, the CRF 300L has been equipped with larger front and rear disc brakes. These upgraded brakes offer better stopping power, especially when navigating downhill or in wet conditions. Combined with its advanced suspension system, the CRF 300L provides a safe, smooth, and stable ride in various conditions. Affordability and availability. Honda has always focused on providing value for money, and the 2025 CRF 300L is no exception. While prices may vary depending on location and dealer, the CRF 300L is expected to be competitively priced for its class. This makes it an appealing option for riders looking for a reliable, high-performance off-road bike without breaking the bank. The 2025 CRF 300L is set to hit dealerships in spring 2025. Be sure to check with your local Honda dealers for availability and pricing updates. Conclusion. To sum up, the 2025 Honda CRF 300L is a fantastic motorcycle that blends power, versatility, and reliability in a way that appeals to both off-road adventurers and everyday commuters. With its upgraded engine, improved suspension, and sleek design, it's an excellent choice for riders looking to tackle various terrains without compromising on comfort or style. Whether you're riding through the city or conquering rugged trails, the CRF 300L delivers an outstanding riding experience. Thanks for tuning into Bike Zone. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated with all our latest content. See you in the next video. Outro. Thanks for watching Bike Zone, your one-stop channel for everything motorcycles. Until next time, keep riding.